Hey peeps! Welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unpackaging for you of something a little bit different. Many of you may know that I've been quite open about my struggles with mental health and how fidget toys have been something that's really been helpful to me. I have previously unboxed for you the Nerdy Crafter fidget toy kit with its cube, which I can grab for you. Yeah, so this was the Nerdy Crafter fidget cube. There was also, what else was in that box? The squishy and other goodies. Oh, the fidget cube with all the different buttons on. Yeah, so there's been a number of things that I found that have been really helpful for me. I'm also a big fan of the Popsockets for phones. This is the one off of my phone. I've got it on a pop grip, and it's a spinny one, which is annoying for everybody else, but very comforting for me. And it's got little stars on it, as you can see, in a cute rose gold colour. But yeah, so I am a big fan of the Popsocket. They have recently brought out Puck, and so that is what I'm going to open today. This is the Puck starter kit in tie-dye. Obviously we can see everything that's in that pack, and then I also picked up a Puck booster pack, which is like a mystery unbagging. So let's get into this. I'm not sure the best way to open this package. Sometimes they have a little line showing you where to cut. This one doesn't. So these are fidget toys, essentially, that use magnets, but they're, I guess, a little bit more grown up. Right, okay, so how does this work? Let's have a look. So we've got a big, does that come? Aha, okay. So it comes on a spring-loaded ring that's really chunky, and then this part is strongly magnetized. It says it's neodymium magnets, which is the same sort of thing that those of you that diamond paint might recognize from being the sort of magnets that you'd get on your cover minders. So this can go onto a keychain or onto a bag, and then you get these little guys, which are also magnetic, and then there's all sorts of things that you can do. Includes 2 trick magnets, so you can, I guess there's a lot of learning to be done, but you can, oh, you can throw them across the room. These are, they've got quite a nice feeling to them. But yeah, I can definitely see that this could become a quite comforting little thing. It's not the quietest, because you do get that click, which if you're on your own is quite satisfying, but if you're in a room full of people is going to be a bit annoying. But equally, I guess if you've just got the one, then it's almost like a switch that you're just moving backwards and forwards. Ooh, it's strange actually. If you look at them without their pictures right side up, oh, they're going to stick to each other now. They look just like sort of soft mints. They do stick to each other, not very strongly, but they do. I would be wary if you've got small children. That is my big thing. It does say, I think on here, yeah, 8+. And then not for under 3s. So obviously, as with any magnetic product, you do need to be a bit careful. It has got warning labels and things on here in many languages. Is there anything under that? There is a label under there. It's probably just the same thing in a different language, but we will check. Come on, nails. Yeah, it's just the same thing in many different languages. Yeah, so just warning, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under 3 years. This product contains small magnets. Swallowed magnets can stick together across intestines, causing serious injuries. Seek medical advice. Sorry, I'm very croaky again today. My apologies. So, this was my initial starter pack. I chose it because it was purple. Obviously, because I am predictable. But they've got lots of different colours. There's a lovely mint green. There is a bright pink. There's several different ones. Oh, I'm just seeing. There's. Is it that? Can you go that way? Yeah. So there's options of how you could perhaps use this. Yeah, they're gonna all stick to each other. Okay, let's get this mystery pack opened and see what's in it. So that did nothing. Did nothing. It ripped too high up. Come on. There we go. Come on. Okay, so on the back of this pack, it tells us the commons, and then underneath the big sticker are all the others. So unfortunately, we can't actually see them. But let's see what we got. Hopefully, there's a list inside. Right. So. Yeah, so our options are, we've got eyeballs, sort of a fingerprinty one, camo, flames, all sorts. So let's see what we, oh, I want that one, but it's a rare, the lucid lilac. That would be good. Ah, okay, so we have got the Munching Dead and Chromaclone. So this is Chromaclone, and this one is the Munching Dead. So it's a skull eating a pizza. Woo! Yeah, and obviously you can swap them out entirely, or I think on the website there was lots of footage of people doing tricks with different sorts. Green's not my favourite colour. It is, however, my son's favourite colour. So I can definitely see if I were to get him a starter thingy, that this would be a set that he would want to play with. So I just wanted to share these with you. I know a lot of us struggle in similar ways, and new fidgety things are always fun to share with other people. So price wise, the starter pack was £20 or £19.99, and the booster packs are £4.99. As I say, there's what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 different colours of the base to choose from, and then the booster packs on top. This is not sponsored or affiliated. Just wanted to share it with you today. I've had this booster pack sitting around since just after Christmas, and I've been meaning to do an unboxing so that I could find out what was in it. So yeah, just something a little bit fun and different today. If anybody else has used either Popsockets or Pop Pucks, do let me know. I would be interested to find out what other people are using and how they are finding them. If you've used the Pop Puck system and you know of any interesting tricks or tips, please do let me know. And that is all from me for today. So as always, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!